What's your name? Hey guys, it's John Rocco here. What you got there, John Rocco?
I got a waist car. I got a waist car.
Cool. And what else you got?
Oh my gosh, slime!
Ooh, did you make that slime?
Yes!
What kind of ingredients do you use to make slime?
Washing detergent and glue.
Ooh, that's it? Just 2 ingredients? That's fun and easy.
So, I'm gonna put this waist car in here. I'm not gonna put a waist car in here. Alright, guys?
Okay.
Alright, and then I'm gonna flip over the slime. And then put it in. Alright, I'm making a ball. Now, let's see what's in here. And open this up. Whoa, whoa. This is in green.
Ooh, I do see green.
Wow.
I see green. I see, ooh, a spoiler.
I see more green.
What's a spoiler, John Rocco?
It's an engine.
No. Spoiler's on the back of the car, remember?
Oh, yeah.
What's it do?
It makes you go faster.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Holy cow, look at that.
My slime made a waist car, and I didn't even put it in there.
Oh my gosh, that's the coolest slime ever.
Wow. And then look at this. Voila. Mom, can I see the